Dirt Fishman here, y'all. Another little video that me and my boys going to do for y'all. Open up some more Hot Wheels, y'all. We want to say our hellos. Hey. All right, y'all. Let's turn this thing around and open up some cars and have some fun, y'all. Let's do this. Get in the center. Get it kind of close. All right, y'all. Up first, going to be the Honda Civic SI. It's the carbon fiber hood. Alright, y'all. Checked out and they're out, y'all. Up next is going to be new for 2024, the BMW M3 wagon.
Ooh.
They're tough, ain't they?
Wow.
Mm-hmm. You can sit this out there. Alright, y'all, here goes the wagon. Well, that's on the turn, y'all. We're going to open up us a Matchbox ground grabbler. This is, I got to help you on this one.
No. This is what I do. I just rub this piece, the side pieces off.
Let me put your little hole in there. Let me put your hole in that.
Oh, the Matchbox is so tough to open up.
I don't know.
Tell the store people to make Matchboxes easier to open.
Take out the old digger. Alright, y'all. Next
Hey,
going to be
next time
the.
you at the store, tell the store guy to
Make it easier.
Uh-huh.
Alright, a Bugatti Bullseye. It's a Bugatti. That's all I know is a Bugatti.
Why?
There we go, y'all. Checked out and they're out. Alright, up next, y'all, is going to be a speed bump.
Why is it a crushed car?
It's a crushed car. Check the old crushed car out. Alright, y'all. Next going to be the Bumblebee.
Let's cut the Bumblebee.
Here, open it up.
Let's cut the Bumblebee.
Oh, it's a Transformers car.
Why?
Oh, does it see the Transformers on it? Check the old Beetle out, y'all. Alright, y'all. Up next is going to be the 73 Jeep J10.
Ooh. Big and tight. Whatever.
Alright, y'all, check it out. Alright, y'all, well, that's up there. Our next one's going to be the 55 Chevy Bel Air Gasser. Another one of the things, castings that we collect. That was easy, wasn't it? Alright, y'all. Check her out. Alright, y'all. That's going to be it for our little video right here for y'all. So we're going to turn this camera around and say our goodbyes. Come on. Say bye.
Bye. Peace.
Alright, y'all. See y'all on the next one.